little unboxing time. This is always fun, especially when I take out time in my workday to do this. Procrastination at its finest. Bought a few things from Temu. You got nothing better to do, so you end up buying stuff which you kind of need, but you don't need. Ta-da! Look at the box. That's proper battered, isn't it? Look how cute this is! Wow! I got these cute little bear plates. More like snacking plates, but they're adorable. My bag is basically Mary Poppins bag, so I thought I'd try to organise it a bit. It's a little toothpaste squeezer. Like, why do I need this? Other than it being very, very cute. I keep seeing people use these. You put oil in there and it's got a little silicone brush. So you like rub it on your pan, or you rub it on your pastries, you rub it on your baked goods, whatever. Little tiger, little heart. Really adorable. Someone didn't want me to record. This isn't weighted. It's so light. I would be hesitant to put anything more than a phone on it. I mean, the picture says you could put an iPad on it, but there's no way I'm risking that. Ah! Super cute clouds. And my pink bunny. Yeah, there's a whole thing going on. My feelings. It's so cold in the house today. I'm wearing my fluffy fleece. We've got the heating on, but it still feels really chilly. I'm so ready for spring. I'm so over the rain. I'm over the cold. I'm done. Although the plus side is that now, when it comes to 5 o'clock, it's not so dark and depressing. So finishing work, I'm not so sad. A big thing for me this year is looking after myself mentally and physically. I want to get myself in a better state of physical fitness. In a way, I think. Is that the right term? Is that what people say? I've struggled with my weight for pretty much maybe half my life. So I'm gonna try doing a 16-8 fast, which means fasting for 16 hours, only eating for a window of 8 hours. Oh, hi. Oh my god. So I've always had the role of the caretaker, which meant that I always put myself on the back burner. I never looked after myself. I never took care of myself, my needs, my wants. I want that to change. That is also one of my goals this year, to put myself first, because I think it's very easy to dismiss your own thoughts and your feelings. One of the biggest things for me was realizing that if I speak these words out into existence, nothing happened. There was no catastrophe. In fact, something good happened instead. I was listened, I was heard. Anyway, mushy stuff over. So I'm breaking my fast on some sugar-free natural yogurt and some granola, some chia seeds, and then I've just got 100% peanut butter. And then I also have some agave nectar as well for a little bit of sweetener. And a cup of green tea, because green tea is life.
ever seen.
Not that short.
It's short enough.
Face is washed. I've managed to do about 20 minutes of reading, which is really good for me without falling asleep. I've done my Duolingo as well. I think I'm on 186 days at the moment, which is amazing for me. So I think this is a really good place to stop the vlog. Thank you as always for watching. It means a lot to me. I'm gonna head off to bed, so good night. Bye!